Hello. So now it's Wednesday. It's been 2 days. I said it was Tuesday last time when I started. Actually, I made a mistake. Today is Wednesday, and I'd like to see if our experiment actually worked. So if it worked, there should be a hard solid that was made from the melted sugar. So first, when we melted the sugar, we had a liquid. And now, if the experiment has worked, we should have a nice hard crystal-like sugar. Okay? So I'm going to take you and then we're going to look at it. It actually worked. So as you can see over here, this is actually the sugar after I mixed it with the red food coloring, and it was all melted. So it's very liquidy, it's very watery. That means it's a liquid. I'll put that there on the side. This is what it looked like before I had actually melted it. I mean, after melting it, before I had done anything to it. This is what it looked like. I hope you can see this. I'm recording this by myself. It's not so easy. All right. Now, let's see the big reveal. Let's see if our solid actually came out from the liquid sugar. Here we go. If you can see inside there, we actually have nice, beautiful sugar crystals. So that went really well. It was not a fail. It actually went really well. It worked very well. So from that, you can learn that a solid is something that is hard. A liquid is something that is watery. You can turn a solid into a liquid using heat. You can also turn a liquid back to a solid by cooling. From this experiment, I was able to turn the solid sugar into a liquid sugar that looked like honey. And I was able to turn it back into a solid after 2 days. So I set it, I left it to sit for 2 days, and it's now back into a solid. So what you guys are going to be doing today is turning some things from solids to liquids and turning them back from a liquid to a solid. Not everything changes with heating. Some things don't change. They don't melt. They just get soft. Some things change with heat, but not everything. For example, if I was to try and cook a rock, it wouldn't melt. I wouldn't all of a sudden get a nice big porridge soup from a rock, would I? No, it wouldn't. So certain things change with heat from being a hard solid to a runny liquid. Certain things don't change. They just become soft. Certain things, nothing happens at all. All right, that's enough for today. I will leave you to your experiments. Remember, you're not doing the one that I did because it took me a whole lot of days. So you are going to do the simple ones with the help of a grown-up, and then you're going to send me the results using the Google Classroom.